What's that? What, identifying treatment?
No. He's it's a medical thing.
Oh, that kind of treatment. Yes. So when it comes to enhancements, 99% of the time people ask for cedarwood oil, thinking that that's the most traditional of all of the enhancements, but that's really not true, right?
You know, Gary, you said 99%. That maybe 5 years ago that would be the case, but today, more and more of the jewelers are asking for, say, what we're doing, which has a more stable, and but still there are the traditionalists out there who want to use cedarwood oil, and.
But cedarwood oil doesn't have the same refractive index of emerald, so it doesn't work as well, right?
Because the refractive index on cedarwood oil is 1.52, emerald is 1.57. Our enhancement Excel has exactly that of emerald. But what's really very interesting with emerald is from the various mines, all the emeralds could have different RIs. Just a little fraction difference can mean really a major appearance change with the enhancement. But going back to traditional cedarwood oil, as you know, it only goes back to 1962, so it's really not traditional.
Yeah, not a long tradition.
Right.
Okay. Now with Excel, you've got it's guaranteed, it's colorless, it's permanent.
Okay. What it is, it's stable.
Okay.
So it will remain in there unless we are able to take it out. All right. So if you want to state that it's permanent as long as you don't ask us to, to take it out. The other part about our enhancement is that it is colorless. You could put it into the ultrasonic, you could put it under the steamer with no adverse effect. Plus, you could do some minor recutting with our enhancement in it.
Well, let's step back just a little bit. You can put it under the steamer and you can put it in an ultrasonic. Everybody I know says absolutely not. What's the story?
Well, that's very true. When we go on our sales calls to the various retailers, we'll give them an emerald and say, okay, put this into the ultrasonic or put it under the steamer, and they said, no way. I said, no, please do it. It's very true. There is absolutely no change. It's really unfortunate because emerald has been in history thought to be a very fragile stone. Well, it is 7.5 on the mole scale, so naturally it is softer. But it's not because that the stone is 7.5 on the mole scale or soft. It's because of the enhancement that came out that made the stone look like it was damaged. So until now, there was no stable enhancement. Thus, the stone really had a bad reputation because they thought the stone was being fractured.
So it's really all about the enhancement.
It really is, absolutely.
Now, I understand you're going to go on television. You're going to go with Jewelry Television, JTV. And when do you start showing the Eternity Emerald?
No, we start the training, and what I mean by training is, we're training the people who are going to be involved in the TV program live about the nature of enhancements and why enhancements are necessary, that the public should not be confused or scared to buy a gemstone because it's enhanced, and that they're going to learn that 99.9% of all colored gemstones are enhanced in some form. And I think JTV does a wonderful job in full disclosure and trying to explain the various enhancements. That's why we're going with them.
Okay. When can we see you on TV?
We're probably shooting for the beginning of November.
Excellent. Thanks, Arthur.
That's good.
So I've been working for